You've just been given a job offer and it sounds really good, but you're not quite sure if you should leave your job or consider another offer altogether. There's something called a hidden paycheck that you should take into consideration when you're reviewing your options. I've created 2 tools that you can download for free, and it's going to show you how to calculate your hidden paycheck, and you'll be able to see the true value of your salary and benefits. This is a hidden paycheck statement. You may have gotten one of these from your employer at some point in time. What this shows you is a value of your total compensation and benefits at work. And it's a great statement to have because it gives you a little bit of an understanding and insight into how much your company invests in your benefit package. If you've ever gotten a statement like this, here's what might be on a statement. It's going to have your total annual base salary that you make. Then it may have a total annual benefit cost, which are all of the benefits, the cost of all the benefits that your employer pays for on your behalf. And then it may have a way that they calculate your base salary plus that amount, but subtract out the value of your time off benefits that they may give you. Then there's a ratio here. It's a percentage of the total benefits to your annual salary. And that percentage is something that as a candidate, if you're considering different job offers, you want to take a look at. So what I would recommend doing is taking a look at this from the perspective of here's what my current company pays towards my benefits compared to maybe a job offer that you have that you want to compare. So this is what the statement looks like, but for you to compare another job offer, let's take a look at the spreadsheet that goes into calculating this type of statement and this type of information. And this is a behind the scenes look at the hidden paycheck. Here you could download the spreadsheet and input whatever your base salary is that you're being offered a job or your current position. You could use this first tab of the workbook for your current position and your current benefit offerings that you have. Then what you can do is come down here, right click, and we are going to say move or copy. And then we're going to say move to end and create a copy and click OK. So now we have a second tab that's exactly the same here on our worksheet, and we can rename this job offer. So now we'll have 2 workbooks that we can go off of. We can input the information for our current position. And let's say we're currently making $55,000 a year. And then our job offer is for $65,000 a year. Now, there are going to be changes that you're going to want to input into this calculator based on the offer. Find out what that employer pays towards all of your benefits, and you're going to input that information into these colored cells. And so this, if you hover over the colored cells, it's going to show you the formulas that are in there and how those values are calculated. You may need to come up with different formulas in different cells if, say, a job offer has a PDO plan rather than various paid time off, different separate leave plans and things like that. But this calculator does give you an idea of what you need to consider when you're looking at that percentage of what your company pays towards your benefits. So once you have all of this filled in, you're going to come over here to the hidden paycheck data, and this is the information that you're going to want to take a look at. The percentage benefits to salary is where you're going to see how much that employer is investing in you and investing towards your benefit package. The higher the percentage, the better off that company is showing that they are investing in you, in your development, in your benefits, and in your well-being. Be sure to download these 2 tools. There's a link in the description below the video. Use them next time you're considering a job offer. Visit my website at sharonsmithr.com and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click the bell and receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.